Hi students, since we're going to be doing our first peer review workshop soon, I wanted to show you guys kind of what that looks like. So I'm here on Blackboard, and I'm going to go over here, click on the left Essay2 Synthesis Essay. If I scroll down, it'll say Peer Review Workshop, post rough drafts here. You'll need to post your rough draft by Thursday at midnight. You get 10 points for posting the rough draft, 10 points for posting comments on other students by Friday at midnight. So you'll go here to where it says create blog entry, and you'll first see there's all these instructions which go over kind of what peer review workshop means. It also comes with a series of questions for you to answer on each student's essay. You guys can go read through that. You'll click on create blog entry. You put synthesis essay. Copy and paste the text of your essay into the box. Click post entry. Then over here, you'll be able to go and look and see if you click on this, there will be a drop-down menu which will take you to other students' work, and you can see what other students have posted and read their drafts. After you read their drafts, you can comment on their drafts as well. And then you can come back and read your own essay. So now I can click on this where it says index, and it'll show mine. And then when you comment on someone else's, you'll type the comment in, blah, 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 add. And then when you come back to yours and other people commented on it, you'll just click on the comments and you'll be able to read what other people have said and how they've suggested improvements to your essay. Thank you for your time, and good luck on the assignment. Goodbye.